Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Chats Daily. I'm here with my friend George, and we're going to help you learn something super important today.
Have you ever been in a conversation where someone asked about your weekend and you just froze? You knew what you did but couldn't find the right English words. Well, today we're solving that problem forever.
Hi there, I'm Eva, and this is George. We're going to teach you exactly how to talk about your past weekend using simple English.
By the end of this video, you'll feel confident sharing your weekend stories with anyone.
George, are you ready to help our viewers become a weekend conversation masters?
Absolutely, Eva. This is one of the most common conversations you'll have in English, whether it's Monday morning at work, school, or meeting new friends. People always ask about weekends. We're going to make this super easy for you.
Perfect. Now, before we start our conversation, let me tell you what makes this so powerful. We're focusing on simple past tense verbs. These are words that describe what already happened.
Think went instead of go, watched instead of watch, visited instead of visit. These small changes make all the difference.
The beautiful thing about weekend conversations is they follow a pattern. Someone asks what you did, you share activities, maybe ask them back.
It's friendly, casual, and happens everywhere. Let's show you exactly how this works in real life.
George, let's start our conversation. Remember, everyone, we're using simple past tense verbs and keeping sentences short and clear. This is how real people actually talk. Hey, George, how was your weekend?
Hi, Eva. My weekend was great, thanks for asking. I went to the park on Saturday. The weather was beautiful. I walked for 2 hours. How about you? What did you do?
That sounds lovely. I visited my grandmother on Saturday. We cooked dinner together. She taught me how to make her special soup. On Sunday, I stayed home and watched movies. I watched 3 movies, actually.
Wow, 3 movies? That's a lot. What movies did you watch?
I watched a comedy first, then I watched a romantic movie. The last one was an action movie. I really enjoyed the comedy. It made me laugh so much. What else did you do this weekend?
Well, on Sunday, I cleaned my apartment. I also went shopping for groceries. I bought vegetables, fruits, and some chicken. Then I called my brother. We talked for 1 hour. He lives in another city.
That's nice that you called your brother. I love talking to family. Did you do anything else fun?
Yes, I played guitar in the evening. I practiced new songs. I played for about 30 minutes. Music always makes me feel good. Did you meet any friends this weekend?
I met my friend Sarah on Sunday evening. We went to a coffee shop. We drank coffee and ate cake. We talked about work and life. She told me about her new job. I told her about my English classes.
Coffee with friends is always nice. I love coffee shops. They're so comfortable and relaxing. Did you go anywhere else?
No, I mostly stayed at home. I read a book too. It was a mystery book. I read for 2 hours before bed. Reading helps me sleep better. What about you? Did you read anything?
I didn't read this weekend, but I listened to music. I listened to jazz and classical music. I also wrote in my journal. I wrote about my week and my plans. Writing helps me think clearly.
That's a great habit. I should write more often. Oh, I also did laundry on Sunday morning. I washed all my clothes. It took me 1 hour. Then I folded everything and put it away.
Laundry is important, but not very exciting. I did laundry too, actually. I also watered my plants. I have 5 plants in my apartment. They need water every few days. I love taking care of them.
Plants are wonderful. They make homes feel alive and fresh. Did you cook anything special this weekend?
I cooked pasta on Saturday night. I made tomato sauce with vegetables. It tasted really good. I ate it while watching a movie. Cooking at home saves money too.
You're right about saving money. I cooked too, but just simple things. I made sandwiches and salad. I also baked cookies on Sunday. The cookies were delicious. I ate too many, probably.
Homemade cookies are the best. I bet this smelled amazing while baking. Did you sleep well this weekend?
Yes, I slept very well. I went to bed early both nights. I slept 9 hours each night. Good sleep always makes me feel better. How about you?
I slept okay, but stayed up late on Saturday. I watched those movies, remember? I went to bed at midnight, but I woke up late on Sunday, so it was fine.
Staying up late on weekends is normal. We work hard during the week, so weekends are for relaxing. That's why weekend conversations are so important. They help us connect and share experiences.
Exactly, Eva. Now, everyone, let's practice together. We want you to pause this video and try talking about your own weekend. Use simple past verbs like we did. Say what you did, where you went, who you met.
Try starting with basic sentences. I went to the store. I watched television. I called my mother. Keep it simple at first. Don't worry about making mistakes. Practice makes perfect.
Here are some useful phrases to remember. For activities, use went, visited, watched, played, cooked, read, listened, walked. For feelings, use enjoyed, loved, liked, felt good, felt happy, felt tired.
Remember to ask questions too. How was your weekend? What did you do? Where did you go? Who did you meet? Did you enjoy it? Questions keep conversations flowing naturally.
Practice this conversation structure every week. Ask friends about their weekends. Share your own weekend stories. Soon, this will feel completely natural and automatic.
Thank you for watching English Chats Daily. Practice these weekend conversations and you'll build confidence quickly. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English lessons. We'll see you next time. Keep practicing and keep improving your English. Goodbye, everyone.